Canon EOS 2000D versus Samsung Galaxy S23. This comparison will be very similar since the focal lengths of both of devices are very close, except that we here don't have wide angle because it's crop sensor, and plus this kit lens is not wide enough. But okay, so we will compare these two devices, which are very similar in price, and see if phones finally catch up real cameras. But before that, let's enjoy this mega cool big tree. You cannot imagine how wide this tree is. It's like, I don't know, 500 years old. Also, I want to say, to make this comparison fair, I will use both devices on automatic mode, so I think that's as close as we can get. So let's try. And we will later compare the footage. This is my bike. We can also zoom in, why not? I will put results somewhere here in the screen so you can compare these two. But so far, Hey, what you like the most? Phone or camera? See you later. I found this lovely field with this tree here, and I think it's a perfect spot to test the zoom on both these cameras. Galaxy. Okay, let's try some trick. And here we go, guys. Let's see something as a conclusion. In my opinion, today the clear winner is Galaxy S23, but that doesn't mean that this is not a good camera. But in full auto mode, I think S23 done a better job, and it's clear winner for today. But this camera is also good, especially with some better lenses, and when you use it in manual mode it definitely have some upper hand, but on full auto mode it just sucks. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video as much as I do. Please don't forget to like this video, comment down below what you like the most about this video, and if you want me to make more videos like this. Also, don't forget to subscribe, and see you until next time.